The Department of National Defense, DND, has reportedly released the Notice of Award, NOA, for Philippine Air Force, PAF's Heavy Lift Helicopter Acquisition Project. According to Max Defense Philippines, NOA was released in favor of the Russian government in a deal worth 12.797 billion Philippine pesos that will involve the supply of the Mi-171 HIP helicopter. Max Defense added that a contract is expected to be signed soon. In line with the reported award, the Department of Budget and Management, DBM, has approved and released a Special Allotment Release Order, SARO, worth 1,919,626,490 Philippine pesos to cover the funding requirements for the 15% advance payment of the heavy lift helicopter acquisition project for the Philippine Air Force under the revised Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program, DBM said regarding the purpose of the SARO. In March this year, the Philippine Embassy in Russia reported that DND and Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, officials inspected aircraft plant and training center in Moscow, Russia, in connection with the planned acquisition of Mi-171 heavy lift helicopters for PAF.
If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and click the bell.